Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to fix your ChatGPT slow responses in the app, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So the first thing you can do is you can go ahead and clear your browsers or your application cache and cookies. Go to your device's settings for that, open it up. And once you open it up, you can scroll to the given options and find the option for apps and tap on it. Once you tap on apps, you may just go ahead and find the option for ChatGPT and open it up. And once you open up ChatGPT on your screen, you may just scroll through the given options and find the section for storage and go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be finding option for clear cache in the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, or you can also go to clear data and confirm it and go ahead and restart your application on your device. That is also possible. Apart from that, what you can do is you can also update your application. So go to Play Store for that if you're on Android, and from there you can go to the search in the button below and tap on it. And from there, go to the search at the top and search for ChatGPT once again. And once you find it up, you can look out for the update option right beside it and tap on it. After the update installation is completed, you can try opening up the ChatGPT application again, and that should do it for you. And apart from that, you can check OpenAI server status as well. Sometimes that should also not work properly, so that may be causing the issue. Or you can check your internet connection, go to settings for that, open it up. And once you open it up, you can go over and look out for your connections and tap on it. And from there, go ahead and look out for the Wi-Fi or the network that you connected and see if you're connected properly or not into a stable internet connection. And that's it. So that is it. You may follow up this process if you'd like to fix ChatGPT slow responses. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.